Leaving a lasting impression. The power of making a lasting mark. Hello and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into an inspiring phrase that's all about impact. Make a lasting mark. Whether you're a language enthusiast or aiming to expand your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase will not only boost your language skills but also inspire you to think about the legacy you wish to leave behind. So, let's explore together what it means to make a lasting mark in the world. Make a lasting mark is a phrase that evokes a sense of permanence and significance. It means to have a profound and enduring impact on something or someone. This impact is not just temporary, it's something that remains memorable or influential over a long period of time. When we talk about making a lasting mark, we're talking about creating something, influencing someone, or contributing in a way that will be remembered and valued well into the future. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. An author who writes a book that continues to be read and cherished by generations is said to make a lasting mark on literature. A teacher who inspires their students to achieve their dreams and pursue their passions makes a lasting mark on those students' lives. Scientists who discover a cure for a disease make a lasting mark on the field of medicine and humanity as a whole. These examples show that making a lasting mark can happen in various fields and in different ways. It's all about the legacy you leave behind and how it continues to affect others positively long after your direct involvement. Making a lasting mark is significant because it transcends the boundaries of our own lives and touches the lives of others, sometimes even across generations. It's a way to contribute positively to the world, leaving it a bit better than we found it. This phrase encourages us to think about the long-term impact of our actions, inspiring us to aim for achievements that have depth and lasting value. While the idea of making a lasting mark might seem daunting, it starts with simple steps. Pursue your passions and use them to contribute positively to the world. Focus on helping others and making a difference in their lives. Strive for excellence in whatever you do, aiming to create or do something that will be remembered. Be persistent. Lasting impacts often require time, effort, and perseverance. Remember, making a lasting mark doesn't necessarily mean achieving worldwide fame. It's about the quality of your impact on the world around you, no matter the scale. And that wraps up our exploration of what it means to make a lasting mark. We hope this video has inspired you to think about the legacy you wish to leave behind and how you can contribute to making a lasting impact in your own unique way. Remember, every one of us has the potential to make a difference that endures. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing the marks you'll make in the world. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in our next video.